Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. How to convert 540 mmHg to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 540 mmHg to atmospheres ATM. We can use the conversion factor that 1 ATM is equal to 760 mmHg by dividing 540 mmHg by 760 mmHg. We get the equivalent value in atmospheres. 540 mmHg by 760 mmHg equals 0.7118 atm. Therefore 540 mmHg is equivalent to 0.718 atm. So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.